We just checked into Sandals Grande Antigua, and we are in room 5202, and wait till you see this gorgeous room. The first thing we're walking into is the bathroom area, and you can see huge double sinks with vanities, plenty of storage space. And then cabinets under, and then look at this tub. How beautiful is that with the tiled mosaic behind it. And shower with the rainforest shower head. And then it does have a water closet for the toilet. And here's a closet which has robes, extra pillows, blanket, iron, safe, ironing board. So that's an overview of that. And now we go in to the rest. And since this is an all-inclusive resort, that means they do supply you with some favorite adult beverages. See, there's coffee. And stocked fridge. Again, this is all inclusive, so everything is included. So no worries about a bad minibar fee at the end of this. We have juice and water, soda, wine, and some beer. And the flat screen TV with 6 drawers in the bureau. Desk. Nope, that appears to be a drawer, but it's not budging, so I don't know if it's stuck or just not budging. And balcony. And there is the Caribbean. We just got here, so we haven't seen much more than what you're seeing of the resort yet, where there's going to be a lot to come. So you can see the balcony with the 2 chairs. There's a towel rack, so to dry your wet towels. And it's beautiful here. It's in the 80s, but there's a breeze. And there's a love seat. And then look at this beautiful high upholstered bed. The rooms are king beds. And there's a heart towel. Lynn is doing a live in the background, so you may hear her speaking. She'll be following along. This is amazing. So there's room 5202 in beautiful Antigua. And one of the nice things about staying in Club Sandals and being an all-inclusive resort is you can order room service and get your breakfast, sit on the balcony, and just watch the trees blow in the breeze and watch the Caribbean in the background and listen to the birds, and you can just relax.